Hello, my name is Asala, and today I'm going to show you how to make the basic and advanced Apollonian gasket. So let's get into Okay, so basically to make an Apollonian gasket, you want to start with two circles that are tangent to one another. So as you can see, I have these two circles right here, and I have another circle right here that's going to continue it. And what you want to do from here on out is you want to make more circles to fill in these gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 gaps. They have to be tangent with one another too. So as you can see, I have one basic big circle, 2 tangent circles, and I have this other circle too. So let's get started with that. You want to try and fill the gaps as much as you can. And make it as symmetrically similar as you can as well. That's what we're going to do right now. Let's continue to fill in. Alright, and this is the end product of the basic Apollonian gasket. Now notice how everything is tangent to one another and how everything is symmetrically similar. That's how you make a basic Apollonian gasket. Now, let's move on to the advanced Apollonian gasket. Alright, and now we're on our way to make the advanced Apollonian gasket. So here we go. Now, I think one of the biggest differences between an advanced and a basic Apollonian gasket is that the advanced has more of a cascade than the basic. Also, you have to use way more bigger circles to fill in, and then you continue on from there. So that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is make a lot more bigger circles. And also, with an advanced Apollonian gasket, like at the basic Apollonian gasket, you notice that I begun with 2 circles that are tangent to one another. This is a bit different. We do not begin with 2 circles that are tangent to one another. We have one big circle, then we make more big circles, and then we make our cascade and continue on from there. So, let's get started on that, shall we? And this is the end result of our advanced Apollonian gasket. So as you can see, rather than the basic, there is really no tangent of 2 circles. And also, this has more of a cascade to it, as you can see. We start off with the big circles, if we go down, we go smaller, 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 until there's no space. And as you can see, we primarily use more bigger circles. So yeah, that is how you make advanced Apollonian gasket. And this is the conclusion of our video. Thank you for watching.